How do you convert the HEIC file types to JPEG on your Android, on your Samsung phone, whatever? If you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything. Now, there are actually more ways. Like at first, I would check it out inside of the gallery. When you just swipe up on the image, you'll be able to see the actual file extension for that file. So you make sure that you are actually dealing with those files. But if you want to convert it, there are, as I said, more ways. Personally, I like to get this app from the Play Store, which is literally the HEIC to JPEG converter. So you can get it as an app. This application might have some ads or whatever, but you'll be able to upload your images or import them into the app like so, and it will perform the conversion. So it will get the job done, just place it into that app and it will just convert it to the JPEG. But if you don't want to download anything, you can as well just use an online service for it. So you can look it up inside of the Google search. You literally type in the HEIC to JPEG as well, and there are plenty of websites where you can upload your images, so that's a bit better if you don't want to download anything to your device, and that way you can just perform it online and quickly download that image. So let me know what you think about it below. Most definitely subscribe if it worked. I'll see you in the next videos as well, but thanks a lot and I'll talk to you soon.